Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about delete statement in Python. We will learn a way to delete elements from a list using the del or delete statement. We will work with the list of numbers. Let's say we want to produce the range of values 0 through 19. And we can do that by using a list and pass in range. We get our list of numbers. I will name it list 1 and we'll use list, and here I'm going to pass in range function and pass in 20, so we will get from 0 to 19. And we can just go ahead and print our list. Just gonna save and run our script. And we can see we get those from 0 to 19. The delete statement can be used to remove from a list any valid index position or any subset slice that we specify. So for example, we can go ahead and say del and our list sub -1. Let's see how to do it. Del, and now I'm going to use my list, that is list 1, and here I will pass in -1. This will delete the last element from our list. To make sure, I'm just gonna print this. Print list 1, and let's run our script and check the output. We can see the last element was deleted. The 19 is removed from our list. We can also delete slices. So if we say delete list 1 sub 0 colon 2, 0 in this case will be the start of the list. So let's see over here. I'm just gonna close the terminal and use the delete statement again with our list. Delete list 1 0 colon 2. It will delete the elements from starting from index 0 and up to 2, but less than 2. So it will delete the element on index 0 as 1. So just run our script and check the output. This is list 1. And we can see that the first two elements, the slice from 0 up to but not including index position 2, has been removed from the beginning of the list. So 0 and 1 are removed from our list. We can also delete all the elements of our list by typing delete and our list 1 with the colon inside our brackets, and now we can print our list again to confirm that all the elements of the list are deleted. Print, and we're going to print our list 1. And here we can see our list is empty now after that statement. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.